There is a specific mistake that wipes out new investors more often than a market crash. And almost no one sees it coming. It's not picking the wrong stock or timing the market poorly. It's much simpler. It's starting in the wrong order. Today, we're breaking down why the most important part of your investment strategy isn't actually an investment, and how this one boring decision is the only thing that allows your wealth to grow over the long term. We're told that time in the market is everything, so naturally we want to put every spare dollar to work immediately. But there's a hidden friction here. Life doesn't care about your compound interest. When an unexpected expense hits, and it always does, without a buffer, you're forced to become your own worst enemy. You're forced to sell. This is how a $1,000 emergency can cost you $10,000 in future growth. You aren't just paying for a repair, you're selling your future. Think of an emergency fund as your financial airbag. You don't drive your car hoping to use the airbag, but having it is what gives you the confidence to drive at highway speeds. In the world of finance, that speed is your investment risk. Your emergency fund isn't lazy money. It's the insurance policy that guarantees you never have to interrupt your compounding. Consider two friends, Maya and Jordan. Both have $1,000. Jordan skips the safety net and puts it all at risk in the market. Maya puts hers into a dedicated savings account. 3 months later, the market drops 10%. That same week, they both get a $600 dental bill. Jordan has to sell his shares while they're down. He loses money on the investment, and more importantly, he loses his seat at the table. Maya simply pays the bill. Her future investments, which she starts the very next month, are never put at risk. Same income, same goals. But Maya's order of operations created a permanent advantage. So, how much is enough? The standard advice is 3 to 6 months of expenses. But if that feels impossible right now, don't let it stop you. Start with a starter fund of $1,000. This is the panic killer. It changes your psychology. You stop reacting to life out of desperation and start acting out of strategy. Keep it separate. Keep it liquid. Keep it boring. If you remember nothing else, remember these 3 things. First, an emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It gives you the permission to stay rich. Second, the greatest threat to your 20-year returns is a one-day emergency you weren't prepared for. And third, peace of mind is the highest returning asset in your portfolio. Building your emergency fund first isn't slowing you down. It's the only way to make sure your future progress is permanent. If you want more practical, calm breakdowns, hit subscribe. If you're ready to start your fund but aren't sure where to put the cash, watch our previous breakdown on high-yield savings accounts right here. And next week, we're diving into certificates of deposit, or CDs, to see if they're a better fit for your goals. Until then, learn here, research more, and then decide for yourself.